So this is a book light. And the reason I had got this is we live in an older home, and in our bedroom upstairs, we only have one plug. And of course, it's not near the head of our bed. So I'm not able to have a light on my bedside table. And I would always get so frustrated when I'm reading a book and you're just getting cozy, ready to doze off, and you got to get up out of bed and go over to the dresser and turn off the lamp. So this is where this little gadget comes in. And then of course it comes in a small little box. You get the light and a USB charging cable, and then the instruction booklet. The clip is very snappy. It has a good amount of tension behind that, so that's going to be perfect. And then it has this little foot, so that will be good for anything that's not 100% flat, so angle to help provide a better grip. And then it also has a rubber grip there to help prevent it from slipping, which is excellent. This gooseneck is absolutely amazing. You can twist it into any position that you need it and it stays there. So I'm very impressed with the quality of that. And the gooseneck itself, again, because of its flexibility, this is going to be perfect for anybody that does a lot of traveling and you're wanting to take this along with you, because you can fold it up nice and tight and put it in your suitcase or your carry-on bag. So it's perfect for that. And with the light itself, very straightforward to use, and it has quite a few features which I'm really impressed with. So on the back side here, you can see the middle button is for the power, and you just quickly push that to turn it on. Then you have two other settings. One is for the temperature of the light. There's 5 different settings, and it ranges from like a bright white to a more amber yellowish color. And that is supposed to actually help block out blue light. So if you're someone that's reading at night, it will be a little bit easier on your eyes. And then you also have the other button, which is for the strength of the light. So you have the 5 different settings for that. So it will be very light to very bright.
All right, and next I'm going to show you the 5 color temperatures that you have with this particular book light, and it allows you to adapt it to your reading environment, and depending on what color temperature you like for light when you're actually relaxing and trying to read. So right now this is the warm light, and I do have it on the lowest power setting for the intensity of the light. And the next one is going to be your soft light. Then you have your natural light, and this one is your cool white. And then the last one is going to be your daylight white. And then back to your warm light. So as you see, it provides you with a nice spectrum of different color temperatures for your reading pleasure.
And when I turn it on, it's going to be on the lowest setting there. That's 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And when you turn it off, it will actually remember the brightness setting that you have it on. And then these are going to be your temperatures. Right now it's pure white, and then back to the yellow. So there's yellow, white, with a little yellow, a little less yellow. And again, it's just simply a matter of clicking those buttons. So it's very straightforward to use. And when you actually have it on, you see those 4 green lit up lights. That allows you to keep a track of the charge that's left. So as the battery depletes, the lights will go out. And then when you're down to the last light, you're getting close to it needing to be charged.
And with regards to charging it, of course, it comes with the USB cable, and the charging port is located on the side there. And it's just simply a matter of plugging it in. Once it's plugged in under the clip here, you're going to see the green flashing lights, and those will blink until it's fully charged, and then they will become solid green when it's fully charged. They do recommend fully charging the book light prior to the first use, and in the instructions it says it takes about 2.5 hours to get a full charge.
Some other things that I could really see this being handy for, if you're someone that likes to go camping a lot, this would be perfect for in the tent. You could actually clip it anywhere in the tent to light up the tent, or if you need to go outside the tent to try to find something, simply clip it on your jacket, your ball cap, even your pants, and it's going to stay there. You just aim it and go. It's going to be very durable. And the other thing that I can see myself using this for is actually clipping it to my bedside table. This will open wide enough to fit on the edge of my table, just like this is my kitchen table, so it fits on there. And now I'm actually going to have a bedside table light, so I'm looking very forward to having there for that particular use. So technically It is a book light. However, it has many more practical uses than just that. It's extremely compact, it's easy to use, lightweight, very adjustable, has different functions and settings. It's perfect for reading, doing your arts and crafts, taking it on your travels, camping, and so many other possibilities of using it around the house and the yard. So for me, this little book light is definitely going to come in handy.